So the 2017 version of the IAAF World Relays is now done and dusted. A brand new innovative idea that is working wonders. Me like it. But what happened in the Bahamas over the weekend, me not lie, of the Maverick bombing. We're getting a glimpse of the post-Usain Bolt era in Jamaican sprinting, and it all look pretty. Jamaica won 1 gold medal at these relays, and it was the women's 4x2. We won 1 silver, again from the women in the 4x1. The man they win 4 bronze medals. No, that is not Jamaica in recent times. When last Jamaica competed in a senior global track and field event and don't win a gold medal? And look, we all know that it is impossible to replace Usain Bolt, but it is also uncomfortable to watch Canada and Botswana and them country there beat up Jamaica in sprinting. And when we look and see a brand new generation of world-made sprinters rising up and no Jamaican, no it, that is a hard pill to swallow. I think the thing now move from concern to worry for the future of Jamaican male sprinting. And yes, we finished second on the overall points behind the mighty USA. But again, is the girls giving most of the points? Jamaica's male sprinting right now look confusing and desperate and is epitomized in that clumsy exchange between Kemar Bailey Cole and Javon Minzy in the first round of the 4x1. You know, see it? You ever see it? See it there? See that? Reach! Reach!